A strong foundation for organizations when facing various challenges in the present and especially in the future. In this chapter, we go through the various elements that are part of the new genre of entrepreneurial marketing. To make it easier to understand this new genre of entrepreneurial marketing concept, we'll use a framework called the Omnihouse model. This model demonstrates our vision of how entrepreneurial marketing should be carried out. It also shows how the approach integrates with an entire organization. We will use it as a guide throughout this book. Omni, which comes from the Latin omnis, means to combine. In the model's name, it is used with the word house, which represents a place, facility, or business. Thus, Omni House refers to an organization that combines multiple elements. Each of these components plays an individual role and also collaborates with the other parts of the business. The Omnihouse model is a framework that can be used to implement strategies and achieve specific goals. We'll discuss it briefly here. We'll also refer in depth to its different components in the following chapters. The core of this model is housed in two clusters. The first cluster is the entrepreneurship group, comprising 4 elements: creativity, innovation, entrepreneurship, and leadership, CIEL. The second cluster is professionalism group, which also comprises 4 components: productivity, improvement, professionalism, and management, PIPM. Notice these clusters are surrounded by other functions and interact with them. They are affected by dynamics, which constitutes 5 drivers: technology, political, legal, including regulations, economy, social, cultural, and market. These drivers, which collectively are called change, affect the other 4 C's elements: competitor, customer, and company. This dynamics component serves as the foundation to develop marketing strategies and tactics, as outlined in the competitiveness triangle at the top right of the model. Within the triangle, PBD stands for positioning, differentiation, and brand. This is the anchor for the other main elements of marketing: segmentation, targeting, marketing mix, selling, service, and processes. The dynamics element is also the basis for developing ideas, which leads to creativity. These ideas can be converted into innovation in the form of tangible solutions for customers. These creative ideas must use various companies' capital productively. The solutions provided to customers need to result in improvements, as reflected in the company's better profit margins. Thus, the convergence of creativity, innovation, and productivity improvement elements affects the balance sheet, listed as BS, and income statement, listed as IS. Elements of creativity and improvement can generate competitiveness only if we involve people with solid mindsets of entrepreneurship and leadership to manage them. Value creation is the responsibility of entrepreneurs, and leaders maintain values. However, we also need to support entrepreneurship and leadership with solid professionalism and management. This condition, in turn, can propel the company forward. What we see in the balance sheet and income statement is a result of the past. What we are doing now, especially through the strong convergence of entrepreneurship, professionalism, and leadership management elements, will determine a company's cash flow, listed as CF, and market value, listed as MV. Thus, we gain a picture of how the organization will perform in the future. As laid out in the Omnihouse model, it is essential to integrate marketing with finance and also integrate technology and humanity. The term humanity refers to main stakeholders, namely people, customers, and society. Collectively, these functions support the actions that lead to financial and non-financial results. Note that in the heart of the model, we have operations. This function takes marketing objectives and places them into action and, at the same time, ensures financial goals can be achieved. Operations that also bridge that use of technology will